Welcome back to Daily cmouse update number 2. Currently I have nothing to actually show you, but I just wanted to talk about a few things about my game. First of all, I am really busy with college, so actually having some update every single day is going to be very difficult. However, I can talk about a few things in my game. First of all, as you can see from the previous video, cmouse takes heavy inspiration from Windows 8. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I thought that the design of the OS was very cool, even if it was really unintuitive to use. In fact, the font that cmouse currently uses is Sego UI, which is the font that Microsoft uses in their Windows operating system. I'm probably not allowed to use that font for my game, so I'll probably have to change it later, but I don't know what to change it to, but hopefully I'll find a font to be able to change that to later. And next, the swivel transition, which you saw at the end of the last video, and when I clicked one of the buttons on the right, that was extremely difficult to make and took me multiple days to learn knowledge of linear algebra, and it was crazy difficult for something that should have been so easy. And I want to explain that. I want to explain what I learned and all my knowledge that I gained on that adventure. I want to make a video about that later on when I have the time to make a video all about that. The next thing I want to work on in cmouse and in the game is actual player movement. The actual mouse will be hidden, and the player character will act as a physics cursor. When you move your mouse left, the player character will move left. If you move it right, the player character will move right, and etc. Unless there is a force stopping it, like gravity or a wall. And that's what I mean by physics cursor. It's like a cursor, but it can be stopped and manipulated by forces and objects in the game world. I'll always try to post something every single day, even if it doesn't count as an update, such as this video. So you should stay tuned for updates here on this channel. See you later.